Hello friends, this is Atrika Budari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn about string slicing. So string slicing is used to take a part of string. So here we will make tut11.py. Okay. So here let's take this string only. Okay. Now suppose we want to take this part put from computer. So how will you do that? So friends, we will write print and then we will write machine, which is our variable name. And now after that we will write square brackets, just like we did in last lecture, right? So here first we will give the position of first character. Suppose we want this string, right? So what is the first character in this string? P, right? So what is the position of P? 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will give 3. Okay. Now after giving the first character's position, we will give colon. Okay. Now we will give the position of last letter plus 1. Okay. So what is the last letter? T, right? In PUT, what is the last letter? T. So what is the position of T? It is 5. 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay. So why have we given 6? Because indexing starts from the position of first number. Suppose we give it 3, so it will start from third position. 0, 1, 2, 3 means it will start from P and continues till the number which we gave on second position minus 1. So if we give it 6, so it will continue till 5. Okay. So it will go till T. So let's see if it works or not. See, it is printing PUT, right? Now, if you want to take TER, right? So what will you do? What is the position of T? It is 5. So you will print 5. Okay. And what is the position of R? The position of R is 7. Okay. So we will pass 7. Okay. See, it is TE. Why it is TE? Because I told you that indexing starts from the first number position and goes till the number which we pass on second position minus 1. So it should be 8 here. Then it will pass TER, as you can see. So what if we give 9 here? So it should go till 8, right? 8th position. But it won't. It will just write TER. Why? Because after R there isn't any character which has 8th position, right? So it won't throw an error. Okay. But if we just write like this, print machine, like we did in last video, what we did, suppose we have to print T, so we just gave the position and here was our letter. Okay. But if we gave it 8 here to print, it would have thrown an error, right? It would have thrown an error. So here it will throw an error, but here it won't throw an error. It will just write the number of characters it is able to take. Okay. If there isn't any character which is having that position, it won't throw an error. it will just simply print till where it is getting the characters. Okay, error. Okay, so it will throw an error. Now if you have to start from P and you don't know what is the indexing of last letter, so what will you do? You will just pass the position of P, that is 3. Okay, and then put a colon here, and then you will leave the position of second place empty, second number empty. Now what will we do? It will print from, it will start printing from P and will print the whole string after P. Okay, now if you want to write COMP, okay, right, but you do not want to write the position of C. Okay, you do not want to write the position of C, that is 0. You just want to write the last position. So what will you do? You will write here 4. The position of P is what? Position of P is 3. But you will write here 4. Because as I told you that slicing starts from the first number and then goes till second number minus 1. So that's why we will write here 4 instead of 3. Okay, and here we will leave the position empty before colon. Okay, so it will start writing from first index only, COM and P. So what if we remove both the positions? We just put a colon between the brackets. So what it will do? It will print whole world computer. Okay, that will be equals to this. If you do not write anything, that will be okay. So writing like this, I don't think it is of any use, but it might come in work in future. So here what it will do, it will print whole string. Okay, whole string. Okay, hope it is clear to you. So right, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys got to know how to slice a string. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end.